Tom, hi, Emily. How are you today, Emily? Hi, Tom. I'm good. I played with my dolls this morning. What about you, Tom? That sounds fun. I played with my toy cars. They go vroom vroom, Emily. Cool. I like cars too. Do you have a favorite color for your cars, Tom? Yeah, I like the red one the most. What about you, Emily? My favorite is the blue one. Blue is such a pretty color, Tom. Yeah, it is. Oh, guess what? Today at preschool, we painted pictures, Emily. Really? What did you paint? Tom, I painted a big, yellow sun and a green grass with lots of flowers. How about you, Emily? I painted a rainbow with lots of colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Tom, wow, that sounds awesome. Rainbows are so pretty, Emily. Yeah. And after that, we sang some songs. Do you like singing, Tom? Yes, I do. I like the Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star song. Do you know it, Emily? Yes, I love that one too. Maybe we can sing it together tomorrow at preschool. Tom, that sounds like a great idea, Emily. I can't wait for another fun day at preschool, Emily. Me neither, Tom. See you tomorrow, Tom. Bye, Emily.